Micro-fulfillment is a strategy used by retailers to improve the efficiency of the e-commerce order fulfillment process. The objective is to stock the fast-moving SKUs in multiple small storage facilities situated close to the end customer. Micro-fulfillment facilities can take two main forms. It can be a dedicated area kept separate at the back of an existing infrastructure, such as a retail store, or it can be a so-called dark store, a small fulfillment center in an unconventional space that is not open to the public, typically located away from the high street or main shopping areas. Both types make use of secondary real estate, meaning lesser quality facilities that are typically much cheaper and smaller in size with a layout optimized for pick and pack operations. Each product is close at hand and placed in a logical position. Regular mini-markets, on the other hand, are designed to welcome customers, laid out in an inefficient manner by using merchandising strategy to encourage shoppers to buy more than what they came for. Essentials are somewhat hidden, such as eggs and milk, forcing the customer to look for them whilst exposing them to other products, resulting in increased sales. Micro-fulfillment emerged at scale in the mid-2010s, with retail specialists operating through dark stores to establish a unique selling proposition through same-day deliveries. You have probably noticed the increased availability of online supermarkets that can deliver your groceries within 10 minutes. Now, these players have a series of dark stores littered around the urban environment, and the rapid growth of e-commerce during the COVID-19 pandemic led to the current prediction that the micro-fulfillment industry will account for a whole of 22% of retail sales by 2023. Customer expectations also changed during the 2000s, largely due to big players like Amazon, who established a new golden standard of delivery experience, both in delivery times and in reliability. There are two main considerations with regard to micro-fulfillment: optimizing cash flow and minimizing stockouts. If an out-of-stock does occur, the product can be replenished quickly from the corresponding micro-fulfillment center. Consumers want predictability, visibility of their orders, and fast delivery, and this presents multiple complications when using micro-fulfillment centers for order fulfillment. Retailers need to know their stock levels at each location and where the demand is. Inventory must be balanced between many different locations, and moving products from one location to another at the correct time and choosing the most economically viable route can be indeed very challenging. Now, doing micro-fulfillment is trivial, but doing it in a cost-effective manner is very difficult. Managing this concept requires ongoing predictive optimization to ensure the process is indeed profitable. The complexity and diversity is contingent on a wide variety of local situations and on the digital bridge between the retailer and the micro-fulfillment player.